Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a 2016 Hyundai Sonata. I think it's a 2.4 liter. Customer complained with excessive vehicle shakes and a lot of smoke coming out from the back. I guess that's from the tailpipe. So let's see and check first what we have. I'm just gonna go to engine. Okay, I guess we have history code here, and we have a cylinder number 4 misfire. So can we go to let's go DTC and let's go check our freeze frame if we have some clues there what's going on. Freeze frame. Okay, let me so calculated road 100%, 4000 rpm, so he was okay. Vehicle speed 115, so he was accelerating. So short term at minus 3%. Your fuel ratio 0.9. Another one. And that's it. I think that's the only thing we have. So the short term is saying that we have reached there, but that's a little bit on the okay side. This is just 3%. So what we can do right now is we can monitor our datas, and let's try if we can start a car. So we need this one, oxygen sensors. What else? And then let's check our misfire counters and see if it's really misfiring at number 4. So I'm just gonna graph that, start the car. My downstream is, oh well, I'm still in open loop, so that's why. Misfire number 3 or number 4, look at that, it's counting a lot. So can I go try rev it? It just stalled, so the car just died, I think. Let me see at the back, just verify our customer concern. Yeah, there's a lot of smoke there. So what we can do with this one is, it's either my injectors are failing on this one. I'll just double check again. I can't really tell right now because it's an open loop. So what else data I need? Do I have injectors? Oh, you know what? Maybe what I can try is I'm gonna go to my actuation test and I guess disable that injector number 4, and let's see. Same thing, I'm gonna go to my data, upstream, downstream. I'm just gonna use this one. Okay, and then have injector disabled number 4. So we have engine idle. It's cranking a lot. There's still smoke there. There's a little bit smoke, not that bad, but can I just stop this and try? Oh yeah. So when I tried to enable again our injector, I think it stalled on us. So let's try again. Okay, I'm gonna turn off the AC. Let me disable that. So for right now it's idling properly. I'm gonna stop it. Turn on the injectors again. Yeah, it's stalled again. So I guess we're dealing with a open on the injector, like it's just flowing there. So what I can check again on this time right now is maybe we can go to the cylinder on this car and see if it's wet there and compare with under the cylinder. If it's wet, I guess we're dealing with the open on the injector. Alright guys, as you can see, we're in the parking lot. So all we can do right now is just remove our spark plugs there. So as you can see there, I don't know if you can see that. This one is our number 3 cylinder. It's dry, right? Our number 4. And I can smell fuel on this one. So what we can do next is we can put a bore stop there. What's going on inside the cylinder. So right now I'm just gonna go first to number 3. So far number 3 has, it's too foggy there. Hey, there's lights on this one. So I don't know if you can see that. Let me just focus on that camera there. This is just a cheap bore scope. So far I don't see anything there. That's our known good cylinder where there's no misfire. And now I'm gonna go to our number 4, our suspected one, and see what's going on there. As I can see on this side here, this is where our cylinder head. This side here is all wet. Let me find where's the injector, if I can find it. Can I turn this? No, I can turn it. But as you can see there, oh wow, oh, I think it's just a reflection. There's some fluid here. What I can do is, maybe I can put this, no, I don't want to, I don't want to put this board scope on this type of part. Maybe let's put an ignition on and see if there's fluid coming out from the injector there. Oh, look at that. See that? It's spraying. It's just ignition on. So I don't think we have. Oh wow. I think I have to. So they're spraying and that it's just ignition on. So most likely our injector is open. I don't think I have to check all. Look at that. The fluid is moving there. And it's spraying. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's a little bit foggy on the, what do you call that? On my end, but there's some activities inside there. That's our fluid there. Spray from the injector. So let me just turn it off before it floods. Okay. So I'm gonna call an injector on this one. I don't think I have to check anything other than checking electrically, but I'm gonna call the injector first and we'll do visual inspection inside because this is direct injection. It's underneath the intake. So I'll update you guys once the injector is here. Let me see my bore scope if it's wet. Yeah, it's wet here. The bore scope is wet. So I'll let you know guys once I get the injector, and I'll do a follow-up on this one, and that's it.